Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Clash Royale again, and I haven't been uploading lately because of my hand, and if you can't hear me it's because I think my mom's cooking, and I need to be a little bit quiet because my little brother's sleeping, and he always annoys me, so if I'm talking quiet, please, I'm sorry about that. Let me just open this chest, and this golden chest, okay. We're gonna get a rare trash. I don't think I showed you this. I have a graveyard now. I'm using musketeers for some reason. I said these are the musketeers, guys. This is a musketeer. I said I'm using the musketeer. They're called archers. What's wrong with me today? Donate. We could do the furnace challenge. Let's just get right. I didn't even know we could do it. I didn't know. So I want to randomize it, but I'm afraid it's gonna be too much ready. And I'm gonna choose. Let's put that. Wait, let me make my own deck. Okay, guys, I'll be back with you in like a minute. See ya. So, guys, this is what I came up. I could make a better one, but yeah, I think this is the best I could do. I got Ice Golem, Elite Barbarians, Mega Minion, Electro Wizard, Lumberjack, Executioner, and the Fireball. I also got a Furnace that you have to do it with, so I'm not too good with Furnace. I didn't know this was even a challenge yet, but then okay, at 5 wins at 2 wins we get rewarded 5 furnaces. At 4 wins we get rewarded 10 furnaces. At 6 wins we get rewarded 15 furnaces. So jump right here. So we're up against this pizza guy, and I'm gonna place down my furnace right here. He put it in that corner, so I might Ice Golem this. Okay, as that, I'm gonna Fireball. And then Mega Minion. And the Executioner that. Oh, I'm not doing so good. Come on. He probably wants these Elite Barbarians. They could take down one tower. Come on. We got this. Hey, we did it. I'm gonna place down Electro Wizard to do some damage to that Night Witch. And then I'm also gonna put this Lumberjack. Good against the Giant. Come on, Lumber. I wanna place down an Ice Golem. I need Fireball that. There he is through my towers. What? That's not cool. Okay. The Lumberjack is very dangerous. I am not gonna lie. I might Executioner here down that middle, and then distract that. So both of the switches are down right there. And then finish. No, this guy's too good. I'm not. Oh, I might do a little bit of adjustments. Okay, guys, I'll be right back with you. So, if you guys see a change, now I have two I have the Dark Goblin and the Bowler, and the same elixir cost. So yeah, let's get into it. Wait. So we're back in versus this the Nashon guy. I don't know how to pronounce his name. I call him this, and then I might place down this Dark Goblin and for some other defense. And then my Bowler right here down the middle. Yes, I will. Thank you very much. Ooh, that Bowler! That was good. Now this push, come on the right push. Now it's gonna slow down that princess. Thank you very much. Oh shit! Shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Executioner. So I kill this minion or kill it. And then I know he has lock, so that can counter my Dark Goblin. He doesn't know I have. He knows all of my cards, but he doesn't know that I have my Leap Barbarians that can take out one whole tower. So once he places down his okay, go like that. He's gonna use his lock on me. Yep, there's his lock. No. And then what can I do? I want an Executioner. Oh, you didn't know I have an Executioner. So that's one card he doesn't know I have. Cycle. So here's that. I'm gonna go right here, or also right here, and then bang bang boogie. Now that I used his lock, I hope he does not have mirror, because then that would just be tragedy. He might take down that left tower on his side. Executioner right here on that side. Also gonna go right here, then right here. He could use things, so I might just go right here with that Bowler. So, okay, he used that. Now I wouldn't be able to do this. And then Lumberjack right here down the middle. Then with Ice Golem. Oh. No. Come on. Come on. No. No. Come on. We got this. Oh, no. Come on, guys. We can do this. I'm doing this for you guys. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. No. 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 No party for you. You're not having a party today. No parties for you. Cuckoo. You're poo 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 poo. No. Lumberjack right down here. Hope that's gonna help a lot. Oh, Dark Goblin. Take it out, take it out. No, Dark Goblin. That's not your job. And you know that. Executioner. Executioner, please. Please. Bowler? Is it gonna do it? No. No, I lost. I think. No. I'll go right down here. Yes, we get the victory. Come on. Oh, let me pause it for a second. Guys, I know that was kind of short, but we did it. Let's just get right into it. Oh, I thought I donated one. Let's get into another one. Another match real quick. Wait, guys. I was watching a movie, so I just had to turn off the TV. But you didn't hear it because the movie already ended, so. Ooh, okay. So now I know 2 cards that he has. The Hogwarts gonna go down. So I'll just put a Bowler to join him. And then we might place on the furnace here. And then that ice golem will do a lot. Not that damage, but Dark Goblin. Oh, I thought it was gonna slow down that tower. Come on, McMinion. Okay, that's down. So, I'm gonna put down Leap Barbarian. Leap. Oh, I forgot. Okay, now he has a Night Witch graveyard. Oh, my brother woke up. No, that's bad news. So we're back, and my little brother woke up. How was sleep? Good. So I think that I lost. Wait, can I show you it? Look, guys. So I think you guys know what happened. Let me just fast forward it. So then, to the point. Oh, so those are the cards he had. Look, I was so close. But then they got my other tower. If I didn't place down that come on. See, this was a part. Look. See, that's when they got 2 towers. Oh shoot. Oh, I was going too fast. You guys didn't see that. See, and this is the part when they won. So I'm put on the Night Witch. He could have frozen my king tower, but no. He did good. I'll give it to him. So, yep. That's gonna wrap it up for today. Hope you guys are doing good. And until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.